Would you like a pie for Father's Day?
Sure.
Put the drinks down. Put the weapons down.
Okay. What's wrong with him? Give me that pie. What's wrong with him?
Maybe we should do this outside.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
You're just exchanging pies.
What is so funny about exchanging pies?
I'm not sure. But he keeps saying it's hard for me. Oh!
You missed.
Oh!
What is that for Father's Day? What kind of present is that? Come home from a tough baseball game and I get pie in the face. Didn't even win.
Oh.
Ugh.
Hey.
That's good.
I know.